Take a look at this street rod here, unique, especially in classics. 1938 Pontiac Silver Streak Deluxe 6 4-door touring sedan. It's a beauty. 400 small block Chevy underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, power steering, and there's the iconic Silver Streak front grille. Some red painted highlights on there. Now, if you want to check out the engine bay, see the underside of this car, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Krager SS, chrome wheels, radial tires, front disc brakes. Let me run through the doors. Since you can see the handles are shaved. Key fob will open the driver's door. There is a popper that will open the driver's door. In the engine bay, on the driver's side cowl, engine bay, driver's side cowl, red button, that will also pop the driver's door open. As far as the trunk, there is a push button underneath the center of the trunk. Right down here, there's a push button that is electronic that will open the trunk. You can lift it when you push the button, and there's also a manual pull, so you can always get into that trunk. It has had a battery relocated to the trunk area. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nice looking interior, kind of neutral or camel colored interior, great looking dash, video gauges. We're going to get around to that here in just a second. I mentioned the battery was relocated to the trunk. There's also a dead man switch back there, as well as a disconnect from the battery. And again, manual pull cable, so you can get into that trunk at all times. Check it out in the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. From the underside pics, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, that's a nice full-size car. Like I said, theoretically, when this came out, this was a Deluxe 6 4-door touring sedan, now done up as a street rod. Take your friends with you, family with you, grandkids, have some fun. All right, I'm going to go ahead and reach in here since the keys are in it, and that's where one key fob is. Tell you what, let's do this. I'll go ahead and open this side hood, so we can show you right where that button is, and we'll open the door this way. So right down here, red button, push that, door is going to open. It'll also work on the key fob. We'll leave it open. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run anyway. Okay, take a look at the dash, kind of that simulated wood grain, if you will. Door panels, kind of a cloth and vinyl combination, matching the seats. Not much wear, a little bit right there. Just being pretty fussy. Otherwise, seats, kind of vinyl cloth combination. Look good. Headliner. Look at all the room back here. Like I said, you want to take family and friends with, plenty of room. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Aftermarket tack underneath the dash, and of course, all aftermarket gauges, video gauges. All right. Right here is a push button that will engage the starter. Turn the key on and engage the ignition, and black push button fires it up. All right, fuel pressure popped right up. That was a cold start, so I didn't expect water pressure temp to come up. Voltage looks good. Looks like fuel gauge works at half. I'll let this warm up here just a little bit. Tack down below is also working. Oh, seat belt come on. Go ahead and take a peek at the engine first. HEI ignition, power steering, 400, small block Chev, automatic transmission, paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350. flip around at the back so you can hear it run. Nice little Lobe idle out of that. Small block. There's also a folder of some receipts, kind of some history on the car, where it came from, some background on it. There's a folder of that. You can sure consult with your sales associate when you call in. I'm going to open this side of the hood too, since we're here and doing this. It'll show up a little bit better. Get light from both sides. A nice engine compartment. Some polish on the intake. Chrome on the valve covers and air cleaner. 1938 Pontiac Silver Streak 4-door touring sedan. Street rotted. Cool. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1938 Pontiac Silver Streak. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to do some driving videos for you. This car is a really good runner, strong acceleration. It's got a lot of style, the radio dial spinning wheel. Underneath the dash is an electric heater. Works well. We got a tachometer mounted under the dash. Gauges in the dash, so oil pressure reads 60, the water temperature just under 180. Speedometer works. Our volts are just under 14. Fuel tank is over half.